let me show you how to host meetings with Google Meet automatically using your Jotform. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Jotform with Google Calendar. That way you're going to be able to create Google Meets automatically and get that link that you can start sharing right away. So let's get started. This is my main workspace and I'm going to select the form that I'm going to use for this purpose. In this case, I'm going to use this simple job application form for testing purposes, okay? So what I need here is to add the element appointments. So in this case, I already have the appointments element added here. And if I click on it, I'll be able to jump into the properties section. This is where I'm going to be able to set all the meeting settings right here. But to integrate with Google Calendar to create those Google Meets, I'm going to select sync with my calendar. So let's go ahead and select Google Calendar. And I've already previously connected, but if you haven't, go ahead and connect to a new account. It's going to ask you to select your Gmail account to integrate your Google Calendar. Go through the process, allow Jotform to connect with Google Calendar, and you'll be able to integrate. Once that's done, authenticate, and we'll be good to go to the next steps. So here we go. This is the calendar that I have selected, and it's going to create a new event when this is triggered. So if you don't want to do that, go ahead and turn this off. But of course, we do want to create a new event. The event title will be set with the form title. I can use form fields or I can customize anything I want here with pre-selected text. In this case, I'm going to leave the form title and test just for demo purposes, okay? The attendees, in this case, it's going to be from the email address captured from the form, and the event description, I'm going to use the full name for this purpose. Here we go. And I'm going to set full name. We're good to go. Meeting location, in this case, Google Meet. Do select Google Meet so you get that link, okay? Let's hit save. Here we go. We are now integrated, and let's go ahead and test this out right now, okay? So here we go. We're going to fill this out with demo data, fill form. And let's scroll down here to our appointment section. And I'm going to select the 31st, which is the last date of this month. And I'm going to select 11 a.m. Good to go. Let's go ahead and send this out. And that's going to be added here into my calendar. And here we go. It just popped in. So let's go ahead and open this up. So that is set at 11 a.m. And I got my Google Meet link right here. Now that is already scheduled inside of my calendar, so it's pretty good to go. And I can also grab the Google Meet link, which is super useful. So it automatically creates that meeting in my Google Calendar, and it creates that Google Meeting link that I can start sharing right away, that it's been sent out via Jotform form. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for Jotform and start building your forms and integrate with Google Calendar so you can create your Google Meet links automatically right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.